End your run here. Let's announce one of the ones leaving first. I'm sorry to say, winner, you're out with 26,325 votes.
What?
Person is Lie with 25,981 votes. Book survives with 28,422 votes. I'm sorry, Lie. I know you only recently joined, but it's been a pleasure having you. I'll leave you alone, okay?
Wow, beautiful reinforcements.
There's ships here, and they're expired and empty.
Max!
Whoops, been a while. 1 second. Yeah!
You guys landed in a real bad spot, but from what we've been told, last time a chunk fell from the sky, a lot of commotion happened around here. So state your purpose!
We've just been filled in ourselves, okay? We're trying to find one to get back the power that's rightfully ours.
Hey, what are you doing? That doesn't happen immediately!
This is what we meant by landing in a bad place. These are the negatives. I've been with my buddy.
I don't have the data to trust these guys. I know I can trust you with this. I don't know if I can trust them. What if they're with 1, with 79, like whatever? We don't know.
I've got your back, TB. Everyone keep up, let's go.
I'm trying, but I'm really scared. We gonna have him do our enemy collection.